Group 4 will be presenting BlackRock, Investing for a New World. Group 4 includes Sito Shah, Thomas Wild, Thomas Brady, and Surjinder Pal Singh. We would like to begin our presentation with a little bit of background on the company of BlackRock. It was founded in 1988 as an American global investment management corporation that is based in New York City. Operating globally with 70 offices in 30 countries and clients in 100 countries, BlackRock is known as the world's largest asset manager with roughly $5.98 trillion in assets. The company's goal is to provide institutional clients and asset management services from a risk management perspective. BlackRock is fiduciary to their clients and passionate about performance. They are portrayed as innovators and act as one with constant collaboration made within diverse teams in order to obtain the best possible solutions. The company itself has a long history of innovation and is driven by continuous change to aid innovators and investors in achieving their goals. The foundation of BlackRock's success is their culture of innovation. BlackRock deals with a range of clients and is highly trusted by all. They work for clients ranging from foundations, doctors, nurses, firefighters, teachers, parents, grandparents, and pension funds. In the past, the company has advised companies such as AIG, UBS, Bank of Greece, Central Bank of Ireland, and Federal Reserve Bank of New York. BlackRock has a very clear and precise vision. The mission of BlackRock is to make your goals our goals, represent your voice, your investment goals, and your needs within each and every decision made. Emotional ownership is taken in every aspect of work done. Working in silos is not conducive of best work. Best solutions derive from constant collaboration between diverse teams. BlackRock is mainly guided by their culture and set of principles. These principles state: we are a fiduciary to our clients. We are innovators. We are passionate about performance. We are one at BlackRock. The company stands to help more and more people invest in their financial well-being. The leadership of BlackRock Investment Group includes Larry Fink, Robert S. Capito, Susan Wagner, Barbara Novick, Ben Golub, Hugh Frater, Ralph Skolnstein, and Keith Anderson. Lawrence D. Fink is the founder, chairman, and CEO of BlackRock, Inc. Fink and 7 partners founded BlackRock in 1988. The corporation has grown into a global leader in investment and technology solutions to aid investors to build exceptional financial futures. Fink has been named one of the world's best CEOs by Barron's for 12 consecutive years. BlackRock is trusted to manage more money than any other investment firm in the world. Here is a little bit of history of the company of BlackRock. BlackRock was first founded during the year of 1988 under the Blackstone Financial Management. CEO Larry Fink sought funding from Pete Peterson of the Blackstone Group. The firm went on to adopt the name of BlackRock during the year of 1982. In 1985, PNC's mutual fund equity and liquidity were merged in BlackRock. The company went public in 1999 on the New York Stock Exchange with shares of $14. During 2005, BlackRock bought State Street Research and Management from MetLife for $50 million in stock and $325 million in cash. BlackRock merged with Merrill Lynch Investment Managers in 2006. On June 12, 2009, Barclays sold its global investors unit to BlackRock for $13.5 billion. BlackRock had 4.7 trillion of assets under management by June 30th, 2015. On August 26, 2015, BlackRock entered into a definitive agreement to acquire Future Advisor. This was a digital wealth management provider with assets under management of $600 million. The deal would allow Future Advisor to operate as a business within BlackRock Solutions and thereby grow the business substantially in the future. Currently, the company is seen as signing a deal with HSBC, allowing the company to utilize BlackRock's Aladdin software worldwide. The organization and management of BlackRock is very structured. BlackRock asset managers act on behalf of clients and invest within the guidelines specified by their clients. Asset managers must adhere to comprehensive regulation, including consistent examinations and reporting. Within the European Union, national authorities such as Prudential Regulation Authority, the Financial Conduct Authority, and the Federal Financial Supervisory Authority supervise asset managers. Financial Services Agency in Japan, the Securities and Futures Commission in Hong Kong, and the Australian Prudential Regulation Authority, along with the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, are viewed as overseeing asset managers within the Asian Pacific region. BlackRock's business strategy is very strong. BlackRock has been the largest investment management company for many years, helping their clients improve their financial future through the sale of their ETFs, mutual funds, college savings plans, and retirement income vehicles. They guide investors down the path that best suits them and their current position. By providing superior service, they are able to attract an immense number of clients and manage approximately $6 trillion in assets. BlackRock has a GEC investment subcommittee. This committee has senior leaders facilitate ESG integration efforts and provide guidance for all investment teams. CIOs oversee all investment team efforts, aggregates and shares best practices across the firm to develop rigorous standards. ESG operational leads and content experts sit within each investment division to establish investment team-specific methodologies and processes. These include operations of ETF and index investments, active equities, multi-asset, fixed income, alternatives, cash management, and client portfolio solutions. ESG and impact research insights developed in-house and shared across investment teams inform ESG considerations.
BlackRock has two different products that make up their product line.
BlackRock has many types of clients. BlackRock's dedicated pension experts take consultative approach to help clients overcome their unique obstacles. The organization's global presence, investment expertise, and risk management excellence enables them to provide unique investment solution that seeks to deliver growth and income. BlackRock's official institution groups partner with central banks, finance ministries, future generation funds, and multilateral organizations, offering them a complete range of customized solutions and global investment management. BlackRock's global consultant relationships team partners with regional, national, and global investment consultants to develop innovative solutions on behalf of their clients. For endowment and foundations, BlackRock offers a full range of investment strategies from a single asset class funds to customized multi-asset solutions. BlackRock provides high net worth individuals, single-family offices, and multifamily offices with institutional investment and risk management solutions across asset classes. BlackRock's partnership with insurance companies spans over 25 years. Their deep understanding of financial and accounting issues facing insurance companies is supported by experienced team of former industry executives, seasonal investment professionals across all major assets. BlackRock has many competitors. Vanguard is the biggest competitor with $5.3 trillion of assets in management, followed by Charles Schwab Group, which has $3.6 trillion of assets in management, followed by JP Morgan Chase, which has $2.62 trillion of assets in management, followed by State Street Corporation, which has $2.5 trillion of assets in management, in which 2004 BlackRock purchased State Street Corporation for $375 million. In the list of competitors, next we have is the Fidelity Investment, which has $2.46 trillion of assets in management, followed by Bank of America, $1.54 trillion of assets in management. The list of competitors continue with Goldman Sachs Group with $1.54 trillion assets under management, followed by Pacific Investment Management Company with $1.66 trillion assets in management, followed by T. Rowe Price Group Incorporation with $991 billion assets under management, followed by Invesco Limited with $888 billion of assets under management, followed by Blackstone Group with $472 billion of assets under management.
Now we will move on to BlackRock's financials. They have a market cap. Currently, their price to earnings ratio comes in around 17.83. Judging by the stock price of BlackRock over the past 20 years.
Recent events of interest: BlackRock. April 8th this year, BlackRock is in talks to buy Chinese asset manager. BlackRock's looking to expand its Asian operations, and more specifically in China. Chairman and CEO of BlackRock believes China has the largest area for future growth opportunities. Talks have occurred with CICC Fund Management for a majority stake in the company, and overall opportunities are more possible now that the Chinese government has lowered the limits on foreign ownership of asset managers. Recent event of interest: BlackRock. As of April 2nd of this year, BlackRock enters an exclusive agreement to buy French software provider eFront. BlackRock's priority is on becoming a major provider of technology used by Wall Street. CEO wants increasing revenue tied to technology. The company's offering was for $1.3 billion in cash for the 100% equity stake in eFront. eFront is a software company that provides reporting on private equity alternatives for financial institutions. Recent events of interest: BlackRock. April 2nd this year, BlackRock's Larry Fink overhauls leadership ranks in key business units. BlackRock has made changes to its senior leadership ranks. The purpose is on focusing more business from top institutional clients to boost growth on its alternate investing businesses, giving primary responsibility for institutional clients to its executives in these local regions. Recent events of interest: BlackRock. March 22nd this year, HSBC signs a deal to use BlackRock's Aladdin software worldwide. HSBC has signed a deal to offer the BlackRock Aladdin investment management software to its most wealthy clients. The software helps investors understand hidden risks in their portfolios. This is as BlackRock continues to gain more traction in the financial software market, with more than 200 institutions and around 25,000 investment professionals using Aladdin and its risk analytics facility. Recent events of interest: BlackRock. March 20th of this year, BlackRock has never charged this little for an index mutual fund. There's increasing pressure on Wall Street firms to lower prices of common stock and bond investments, resulting in falling fees that are a threat tied to the loss of faith in high-price managers. Starting in July, the least expensive new share class of the iShares S&P 500 Index Fund will drop to $1.25 for every $10,000, down from $4. This is the lowest price ever offered by any BlackRock index fund and a fraction of a basis point above what large investors such as Vanguard Group offer for a similar fund.
This concludes our presentation on BlackRock. We hope you enjoyed the presentation. Please feel free to ask any questions.